let's go over the market research tools. So as an Etsy seller, you have to kind of constantly do market research to find new products, to explore your competition, to see where you stand, find new tags, find the shops that are trending, and all these things. You can do all of that from within Listadon using the market research tab. So first thing is Keyword Explorer. We touched it briefly. When you click on Keyword Explorer, you will see there's like Analyze, Compare, and Keyword List. The first thing you see is these top trending keywords that Listadon has detected. You can filter them by category. So if I say I want to like just look for arts and collectibles or accessories, I can go deep down. For saying prints, what is trending? So it's saying like, okay, wishes for you is trending, old elephant printed, all these things. These are like kind of good indicator. When you click on any of these tags, it's going to show you the analysis for that tag, where it lies, and how's the demand going, how's the competition, estimated revenue for that tag, and other related stuff like what actually people are looking for. So in this case, it's printable chalk art. I have no idea what it means, but it gives you top listings that is selling that stuff which is using that tag. So this is a place where you will actually see all the top listings using this particular tag. You will see all the favorites, you will see like their daily views, their price, everything. I want to go back to the Keyword Explorer, and here you can basically search for any keyword. So what I do with this tool itself is that I say I want to launch a product. I'm going to just sit and like type variations of it, go deeper into different levels that Listadon takes me to based on similar and related keywords, and I build my keyword list. So let's go to keyword list. Here, I've created 3 lists. You can see actually like for each list, it will show you where all my tags are lying. It will show me if the demand is going up or down, if it is still a good tag or not, if the competition is increasing. You will see this number here, which tells you the competition for that particular tag. Green is good in general. You can add new keywords to this. Okay, yeah, whatever. You can just add it here if you have some keywords that you already know about. And yeah, like as I showed you, you can actually like access your keyword list directly from your listing to update your listing tags. There is also like in Analyze, you can also see, say I have, let's see, I'm going to say Mother's Day card. And I see I have 2 cards, and then there are 2 options to here. Like you can add both of them to keyword to list, you can compare them, and you can copy them to clipboard. When you hit compare, it shows you a side-by-side view of the tag to see actually which tag is better. So say if you have 2 very similar tags and you want to see which one is better for you, it would be easier to compare them side by side. You can see exactly same information just presented in this kind of view where you can analyze 2 keywords and look at them and see which one is better for you.